Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are going to review the best grow lights for a greenhouse available in the market, the VShape Indoor Plant Stand with Grow Light. The VShape Indoor Plant Stand with Grow Light is a 3-tier metal plant shelf with an 80W full-spectrum LED grow light. It's designed to enhance your indoor gardening experience with its full-spectrum LED plant lights that provide the necessary light spectrum for different growth stages of plants. The full-spectrum LED lights ensure your plants receive the right amount of light for optimal growth. The dual-purpose design allows you to display your plants and decorative items on the stand. The automated timer function takes care of your plants even when you are away. The sturdy metal construction ensures durability and stability for your plants. Easy installation and adjustable height make it convenient to set up and customize according to your needs. In conclusion, the VShape Indoor Plant Stand with Grow Light is a fantastic choice for those looking to elevate their indoor gardening experience. With its full-spectrum LED lights, versatile design, automated care features, sturdy construction, and easy installation, it's a must-have for plant lovers. Don't miss out on this great product for your greenhouse. Thanks for watching this review on the VShape Indoor Plant Stand with Grow Light. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews. See you in the next video.